everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're tackling a question that's been on the minds of coders everywhere. With AI generating code, are we all about to be replaced? I'm Gaby, and I'm here with a very special guest, Lenny, a senior software engineer with years of experience. Lenny, thanks for joining us.
Thanks for having me, Gaby.
So, Lenny, let's get straight to it. AI is churning out code at an incredible pace. It's understandable that many coders are feeling a bit nervous. What are your thoughts?
Absolutely. It's a valid concern. AI tools are powerful and they can definitely generate a lot of boilerplate code, even some complex functions. But let's break it down. AI is a tool, not a replacement.
A tool? Can you elaborate?
Think of it like a power drill. It makes drilling holes much faster, but you still need someone to know where to drill, what materials to use, and how to build something. AI can write code, but it doesn't understand the why behind it. AI struggles with context, with the nuanced requirements of a project, and with the creative problem-solving that's often required. It can generate a function, but it can't design a complex system architecture. It can't understand the user experience like a human can. Debugging is also a huge part of the process, and AI is still not great at understanding the intent of the code when there are complex errors.
So you're saying it's more about augmentation than replacement?
Exactly. AI is fantastic for automating repetitive tasks, generating basic code structures, and even helping with debugging. But it's not going to replace the strategic thinking, the creative problem-solving, and the deep understanding of software design that human developers bring to the table.
Lenny, so if coders want to stay relevant, what practical advice would you give them? How should they approach this new AI-driven landscape?
Well, Gaby, it's about shifting your mindset. First and foremost, embrace the tools. See AI as an assistant, a powerful one, but still an assistant, not a looming threat.
Okay, so use it, don't fear it. But beyond that, what skills should coders prioritize?
That's where the real value lies. You need to focus on what AI can't replicate. For example, system design. AI can generate code snippets, but it struggles to understand how all the different components of a complex system should interact.
Right, the big picture stuff. And what else?
Problem solving is crucial. AI can give you a solution, but can it break down a completely novel, complex problem into manageable steps? That's where human ingenuity shines.
Absolutely. And I imagine communication is more important than ever.
Exactly. Communication is key. You need to articulate your ideas, collaborate with team members, and understand client needs. AI can't replace that human connection.
And what about the quality of the code itself?
That's where critical thinking comes in. Don't just blindly accept what AI spits out. You need to be able to evaluate the code, identify potential issues, and improve it.
So it's about being a discerning user, not just a passive recipient.
Precisely. And then there's domain expertise. AI might be able to generate code for a medical application, but does it understand the specific regulations and needs of the healthcare industry? That's where specialized knowledge becomes invaluable.
And finally, in this ever-changing tech landscape,
Adaptability. You have to be willing to learn new technologies, embrace change, and evolve alongside AI. The tech world is not static, and neither can your skill set be. And most importantly, keep learning. The tech world is constantly evolving, and staying ahead of the curve is crucial.
That's fantastic advice, Lenny. Now, I know a lot of our viewers are wondering about the best programming languages to learn in this AI-driven world.
Right, that's a huge topic. We'll be diving into the crucial question of language selection for the future in our next video. We'll explore the factors to consider, map out various learning paths, and address the tools you need to know. Make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss it.
Perfect! So to recap, AI is a powerful tool, but it's not going to replace human coders. Focus on building skills that AI can't replicate and keep learning. Lenny, thank you so much for sharing your expertise.
My pleasure, Gabby.
And thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video.